Lost your Apple Watch Series 11? Don't panic. The Find My app on your iPhone is your first line of defense. To use it, ensure Find My was enabled during the initial setup of your watch via Settings, Your Name, Find My Apple Watch. The Find My app uses a combination of GPS, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi to pinpoint your watch's location. Open the Find My app on your iPhone, select your Apple Watch, and view its last known location on the map. Even if your watch is offline, Find My will display its last reported location. You can also activate Play Sound to help locate it if it's nearby. If you suspect it's stolen, immediately enable Mark as Lost to lock the watch and display a custom message with your contact information on the screen. For stolen devices, report it to the local authorities and consider remotely erasing the watch to protect your data. A key feature for recovering a lost Apple Watch is Notify When Found. This feature sends an alert to your iPhone when your watch reconnects to the internet, whether through Wi-Fi or cellular data. This is especially useful if the watch has been turned off or is out of range. If you've marked your watch as lost, Notify When Found will automatically activate. Once the watch comes back online, you'll receive a notification with its current location. This information can be crucial in coordinating recovery efforts with law enforcement if your watch was stolen. The Notify When Found feature has seen increased adoption, with over 30% of recovered watches being found by using this feature. If you don't receive a notification immediately, be patient, as it may take time for the watch to reconnect to a network. Remember that privacy is paramount. Apple uses end-to-end encryption, ensuring that only you can see your watch's location. However, rely on GPS or cellular signals alone, which can be less reliable in rural locations.